그리고 그 아기의 데니스에 별 라티들의 그리고 아예 Sida.
I'm Nazir Kulundale, Zaina, new girls of a man, my chief guest of honors, and visitors of a man, Zalaga, Kampikam, and so high Nazir, Gima Yule. As the Kisai Ulam Bome, Atin Krishnale. Aram Zil, Luciram, Zaina in HSLC, Pastor Pedescozi, Government Boys Higher Secondary School, Haflong. So now in Government Boys Higher Secondary School, Haflong. Abu stream art and abu hobbies ne mapa kat lebe zaina le kanking ba abu in life in our finger city lo de ne ba ane teacher ke ne le hai na ze londa si
ye wonga je bom le ja lam je group le azia samsa ban jama arama tung je pingo za ina go class 10 HSLC pass te azia PNC Kendra Vidyalaya Haflong. Abu Hobia legam kimbel zai gari ra sabji ne bile. Ina tina dite gubja Haflong of place na science ke rizati kan dole. Zai ina chin chu zai te ne ba MBBS doctor. To kena.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Kensil Nungwe, and I completed my HSLC exam from Haflong Higher Secondary School from Dimapur, Nagaland. And my hobby is to reading the books and listening to music. And my ambition is to become an academician. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I myself, Ihun Pome. I passed SLC examinations from Haflong Higher Secondary School, and currently I continue my study from Girls Higher Secondary. My hobby is drawing, and my aim in life is fashion designer. So, taking art stream. Thank you. Brother Miguel, Council Agimai, Zai Aga, guest of honor, Zai chief guest, Look Lumdele, Zai Public Began, Aga, NSA group member, Zai President Secretary to Lumdele. Aziz Nek Inje Logan Drama, Zai Aram Snam Sudin Ram, HSLC exam posted by the school Sinam Yampui Higher Secondary School, Zai Ipui, Chikia Foster Tag Notas, Zai Jalapui, Zai Na, Agu, Hopi Zina Football Tanile, Zai Nile. Zai na ako immunize na yan kama duning sa mare leles to gine get kan de to si mo singar get sang sabam nile him na pire klum na
next one my home.
Ladies and gentlemen, I myself Vinit Rame, and I passed out my matriculation from Saraswati Vidya Mandir High School at Haflong. Now I am currently studying in Radhika Hindu Memorial Senior Secondary School, and I took art stream. Talking about my hobbies are singing, dancing, and listening music. And my aim in life is to become a politician. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone, respected judges and good afternoon to everyone, respected judges and our chief guest. My name is Bartila Kwame and I passed out my matriculation from GC Lankasa High School and I'm currently studying in Haflong Government College in Commerce stream. My hobby is acting and my aim in life is to become an assistant professor.
High School. So, in a couple of schools, government boys high secondary school Haflong. Zai about business, sorry, about business traveling and cooking. Zai questions is not arts. Zai not reading. At the next of them, it's a bomb. Any lives in Indian Army. Okay,
A very good afternoon to one and all present here, respected chief guests, guests of honor, seniors, and my dear friends. I myself, Timo Gyalunglen Grame, I passed out my HSLC examination from Vivekananda Vidyalaya, and currently now I am studying in Rani College, and I took art stream. Talking back about my hobby, I want to make reels, and my ambition is to become a teacher. Thank you.
Sinalina has a exam of the home classes in higher secondary school Haflong there. Ayun ba ako access community study Moscow higher secondary school Haflong. Sina ang hobbies na reading books like novels like that. Ako imagine na yung professor para
नमस्ते मैं हफलॉन्ग जिला से हूँ। मैंने सेकेंडरी स्कूल से पास आउट किया है और मेरा स्कूल का नाम रानी कॉलेज है और मुझे गाना गाना फुटबॉल खेलना पसंद है और मैंने कक्षा 11 में आर्ट्स किया है और मेरा सपना है कि मैं इंडिया में हूँ।
Dia pakai
I'm Nazia Kumda, respected judges, chief guests, guests of honor, and all present here. Azia, I Gwiden and Be, Aramzia Godiram, Agu matriculation possible. Depend Bizia, CST Sinal Higher Secondary School. Next, Nagi Ito, Schoolzia, Del Moscow Higher Secondary School. Agu Hobia, cooking, phone bill. Aku ingin life lawyer sila.
Hai Nazia, tinggal mai zai kelunda. Nang sang lo le, ada pressure bramer, hangi bramer, le bramer zangora, pihinga lo ze. Azia sesolang kuabe, aram zia loma, matric pass out the paper school Zatinga High School, Ichna Police Bambea, Raliga Gilu Memorial Senior Secondary School, Abu Ishun Tega, Arts, Abu Hobia, singing, Abu Emilaban Arts, Tuada.
I'm Nazir Lunda, judges, chief guests, guests of honor, leaders, and Azia, Giliong Mingome, Ramzia, Zekanram, in the HSLC, also the Pep School, Sri Lanka High School, then Insuna class from the school, PM Street Girls Higher Secondary School.
Aku MB gawang mede, MB kailo live ini mah.
Then I'm in like in the name, officer.
I'm not going to let them do that. In the department of school, they have to hire secondary school. They invite a lot of school, college in there and college. They have hobbies in there, dancing, or in like actors officer.
I'm Nazia Hikimai. Azizne Ramisi Lapome, Zainab Plasme 11. Tonight, you first level school, Government Boys High Secondary School. Tonight, then go level school, running the new Memorial Senior High Secondary School. Abu Streamsina Arts, Abu Hobiana, football, Zana, Livinile, Zana, Abu Life in the Nila, Zana, nursing it. I'm not.
Respected judges, chief guests. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected judges, chief guests, and everyone present. My name is Primary Rama. I'm from Haflong. I passed out my SSLC from Haflong Boys High School. Currently, I'm studying in Haflong Government College. My stream is my hobby is football and I is drumming.
Zinga. Azizana kai Korean drama. Aram Zina kai Kuwa. I metric exam. Kita past paper school Zina. Tapi kerana dalaya Haflong. In dan toda Zaba school Zina Rani College. Abu art Zina stream. Thank you.
Government Boys Higher Secondary School, Government Boys Higher Secondary School, streamer arts, teacher.
Saya belum dah. Di sini ingam berlema. Aku matriculation pasal kamu sini 20 high school mahunya tu jadi. Jadi ibadah dua bas. College di sini CSC, Chinot Higher Secondary School Haflong. Jadi aku hobi sini, tahu electronic be, le. Aku yang bilang ni police officer, Australia.
Azizina Kidiralan Drama Zai Aram Zizina Laison, she is a pass out of the Bumsina Laison Monjavan East High School, Zainaka, that Zone School, CC North Higher Secondary School. Zaina Tabuna Biata Linsina, Halanga Vinai, Lin that Lindani, Zaina, Ina ice cream tailor Mule, Zaina Green to let the Libet Kappa teachers, high numbers at all.
Good afternoon, handsome and pretties. Ini komen. Nah, aku di SSLC exam pass out ni CSD Sinor. Nah, ikat tekon benar Don Bosco. Aku stream benar arts. Jadi ini hobi deh, hobi benar, aku free time ada ni benar. Ni ramdu taruh be. Aku ini live benar. Jurnalis sudah.
Azizna ada di mana? Aram Azizna Mingo. Di meja pasal itu bang CSC North Higher Secondary School Haflong. Saya ingka dan noda di sekolahnya. Moscow Higher Secondary School Haflong. Saya kita stream arts. Saya aku hobisnya cooking. Saya fashion designer.
I'm not my I'm not wrong in do. As is a Kim Beth woman. Ne is a Kumirang Kibanko. Our HSLC passed the Moscow Higher Secondary School Haflong today. Ne our first year is the Moscow Higher Secondary Unit, our streams and arts. Ne hobby. Hobby is Linda, Linkantada, Haroda, China. Ika is now science stream tape is Doctor Mirang. This to our aim sing better. He very gay hang Zina Kilbets on another day.
Hamnaza respected chief guests, guests of honor, judges, seniors, and all freshers present here. I myself, Cecilia Rame, from Maladan village, I passed out my HSLC examination from the Silankasa High School and currently studying in St. Ignace Convent Higher Secondary School, Haflong. Talking about my hobby, listening to music and gardening.
Haflong.
And I'm from
Fresher meet.
Archero.
Naga Student Association
Right
Fresher
now, I
meet.
don't
We
have
banner
a
get that
specific ambition, but I'm committed into learning and growing until I became a successful person. Asila.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected chief guests and guests of honor, and to all the special invitees. My name is Marian Rene. I passed on my metric from the Moscow Higher Secondary School, Haflong, and currently I join in Golf Girls Higher Secondary School, Haflong. My hobby is playing games, and my aim in life is to become a political leader. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected judges, leaders, our seniors, and my dear friends. My name is ZEME. I passed out my HSLC from Kampung Higher Secondary School, and I'm currently studying in St. Agnes Higher Secondary School. I live in Lodi, and my native village is Harilo. My aim in life to be a cabin crew member, and hobbies is to be a model. Thank you.
em là dạy kỹ mai chỉ là kiên pa mẹ aram chỉ là nằm làm program cho này nó pass out cái quả chỉ là cái sa school cái này nên cả currently join the bar Haflong government golf college and cái hobbies are playing football and I go in like army officer.
Good afternoon, respected chief guests of honor, judges, seniors, and all my dear fellow friends. I, myself, Iliam Neme, and I'm from Nanungram village, Hakakum, Jinan Valley, and I'm from Christian. I passed out my matriculation exam from Govindra Chandra Lankasa High School, Dimasa, Haflong, securing second position. Currently studying at 11th standard at PM Sri PM Government Girls High Secondary School, Dimasa, Haflong. My hobbies are listening to music and exploring. As now, I've been taking arts stream. My aim in life is I want to become a fashion designer. Thank you.
Handsomes and pretties. 3 Mrs. Yellow introduction round. Special invitees आप लोग को कैसा लगा? Glad? We are very glad to have you all. A very good afternoon. To our special invitees, we are very blessed to have you in auspicious occasion. We extend our gratitude for sparing your valuable time and spending with us. Now we'll proceed to the next program, a felicitation program of special invitees. To do this honor, I would like to call our President of NSA, Sri Neme, to come up on the stage.
phui lu ma na sao vậy da gì cũng mà nó Doris pe na le ko do da si ja I metric pass pe ga kai ga an aziang ta kai ni ga em là gì à sai da le te ma ya we da si me le gì ra ko ai let's do le te su ma so ga fresh term program ke bia sia ma ko la le chỉ trong khi mà để tôi đây cũng rất là lành cái nào nè
이 busy 지래 이 busy
busy gì đây mà ô bây tâm thì vui lúc cả bằng qua đi lâu năm xưa mấy bé xa nhà ai bao giờ mà hết kêu mình đi xóa qua bên lên vui à chụp pi mà cả bằng qua là mình chỉ ta đây lên ta đây bạn ơi cái lúc cả lên của chúng con này phải đi chụp ta lên kẹt tiêu ta ra nào đấy linh tế cầm ta này nín lên linh tế cầm ta lại chỉ leo hăng kẻ ai linh người ta huy linh xin linh tế dễ mà mẹ cái lâu người lâu hăng kẻ bèn này để chim nga thế đâu linh tế
I don't know, cái mà không phải về năm mày ăn là cốt cái lúa ngày ta lên ô ăn